Although aging is a natural process, we can delay it or reverse it through healthy lifestyle choices. However, due to the different activities our hands perform, this is the first part of the body to show signs of aging. Our hands are frequently exposed to chemicals in soaps and cleansers which dry them. Here are 5 tips to look your hands younger. Number 1. Olive oil. Before heading to bed at night, massage olive oil onto your hands. Put cotton gloves on over your oiled hands and leave the gloves and oil on overnight. Rinse in the morning with warm water. This treatment should leave your hands softer and more supple. Number 2. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is amazing for both the inside and the outside of your body. Mash a ripe tomato and rub the pulp and juice all over your hands. Let it dry naturally and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 3. Ripe banana. Bananas are rich in many vitamins and minerals, making them perfect for fighting hand wrinkles. Apply a crushed banana to your hands and wait until the mask dries. Then rinse it off with warm water. Use the banana hand mask twice per week for the best results. Number 4. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is a potent source of antioxidants and other beneficial phytochemicals, making it useful for battling signs of premature aging. Antioxidants fight free radical damage, which is caused by environmental stressors like UV rays and pollution. Mix 4 or 5 drops of lavender essential oil in 2 tablespoons of warm extra virgin olive oil. Massage your hand in the morning right after you bath. Do it again before going to sleep daily. Number 5. Protect your hands. This means protecting them from chemicals, abrasives, detergents, and the elements. Avoid harsh soaps, detergents, heavy-duty cleaning products, and alcohol-based products on your hands. Choose gentle, fragrance-free soaps for your hands, face, and body.